Hey guys, it's Otaku, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to choose your YouTube name. So this can be for like if you're doing gaming channel, graphic channel, you know, anything really. Basically, there's going to be some tips on how to name your channel and yeah, how to get like more subscribers from your name and you know just get more well known, I guess. So yeah, before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Turn on notifications so you can get tips and stuff, so you can grow your channel faster, and also so you can like get free graphics because I'm doing those now or something. Yeah, and also get some gaming videos. Doing a bit of everything right now. But yeah, let's get into this. Right, the first way I think naming your channel, like just think of like some random names. Like they don't have to make sense. It just has to be like really abstract kind of things. Just think like. Just get some random letters, put them in order, and see what like kind of flows. Like there's a YouTuber called like Ziovo, and he does like loads of names like this. So yeah, Ziovo, that works, doesn't it? So you can do stuff like that for your name. They're always pretty cool, easy to remember. You know, works really well with like pretty much everything really, and also they're probably not going to be taken on a lot of like social media platforms. So that's like, it's always good. Well, another thing when you're naming like your social media or channel, you want to make sure you don't include loads of like X's and stuff. Like I don't know, if you have Extreme Gamer XXX or something like that, they're not going to remember that, are they? Or like Fortnite Black Ops Gamer 123X. No one's going to remember that. Like they're not going to be like, hi, check out my channel. It's Black Ops Gamer Fortnite, I don't know, see I forgot it now, so you're not going to remember that. So yeah, don't include like numbers or anything like that, unless it's like, I don't know, it goes with the name, like, I don't know really, if it's, so like 6ix9ine for example, like the rapper, well, rapper, let's say rapper, yeah, we'll go with that, not really rapper, but yeah, we'll say that. Yeah, like it goes with his name, works like that. But yeah, so you don't want like random X's and 123s and stuff. Like, right, next one is just use your name, or like your name like different or something, or like a nickname you have, because I don't know, that'd work. Like my name, Otaku, that's literally Otaku is like, I think it's basically just someone who likes anime. That's the definition for it. I mean, yeah, I used to be an absolute weeb. So yeah, I was just kind of called that. I think my Xbox name is the One Otaku. So yeah. Oh, okay. Right, computer. Oh well. So yeah, just come up with random stuff like that. Maybe something you like, or I don't know, even like a pet's name or something. Like, that'd work. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for like names and stuff. Not really anything else I can tell you, but you know, they all work. I also wouldn't use anything like sub to me or like road to 1,000 subs or something, because I see a lot of channels like that. Just a bit weird really, looks really fake. See, I don't know why I'm saying this, because you're definitely not going to do that, and if you do, you may as well just stop doing YouTube before you've even started. So yeah, gonna end this here now. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff, you know. I'm gonna try and do more videos now as well, because you know, not really doing much. I've been away for a few days, I'm going away again, but once this video is out, I might not be uploading for like 2 or 3 days. It depends if I have internet. Not sure if I will. I should do, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, all that. Also comment below your favourite game, and I might play it in my next video. So yeah guys, peace out.